Alright, today we're gonna be working on the new game the new game button, we call it new game, and then we'll get and then we'll do another one called newspaper, and then we'll do the night title. Night title. Alright, so we got new game, newspaper, and night title. First things first, delete the pop. I hate the pop. No one likes pop. Alright. So first, let's go make the new game then. The new game thing. So I'm going to do new game. Place pop that right here. And we're gonna place it right below the title, and just to make sure it's professional, we're gonna name it new underscore game. You don't have to do that. I just do that because it just makes the game a little bit more professional. Okay, so go to X. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, go to 144y negative 144 y negative 45. Again, it might look different for you guys, and that's okay. You can mix your own. You can mix your ideas with mine. Okay, so when main menu, when I receive main menu, you show, and we repeat. We do the front layer, and then we repeat 2 times. Let's see if this works. You got the warning screen with Arnold. You know who. And there we go. We got the new game thing. Now we gotta make it interactable, so that way when we click on it, it'll take us to the newspaper. So we'll duplicate that, and then we'll call this new game underscore new game toggle, and then we'll change that. We'll change it a little bit dark. We'll make it a little bit darker, and yeah. Constantly, word of advice, you should constantly save your game. So when I receive main menu, if touching forever. Okay, now pay attention to this. It's it's not that hard, but you get the idea. If touching mouse pointer, play sound. Okay. No. Change costume. Switch costume. First, you gotta switch costume to new game. There we go. If touching mouse pointer, switch costume to new game toggle. And then if not touching mouse pointer, switch new game to new game. And now let's check it out. Yo, this game's kind of scary, so I recommend for you to play Roblox if you're under the age of 10. Yeah. And there you go. You just hover your mouse over it. Now, if you don't have to add sound effects to your button, but if you want to, you can use this website called JXSFXR, And I'll put this in the link in the description. So what you want to, so if you can make your own 8-bit sound effects. Yeah. 16-bit actually. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, we got that. Now we go to sounds, we upload our file. So this one. Yeah. Again, you don't have to put any sounds on it. I just do it because it's a bit more professional. Maybe you want a silent game, although I don't really know how that's gonna work. Alright. And then, alright, so if we didn't put this block, I'll show you without this block. You see? You'll see later. So we'll wait for this to end. Maybe let me know in the comments if I should just add like a skip button, so that way you don't have to experience that. See that? It just repeats itself. So what I like to do is, okay, so we set the volume to 100 in here, and then we start sound pick up coin 1, and then 0, and then else we change we set the volume to 100. And let's check it out. So, yo, this game is kind of scary, so I recommend for you to play Roblox if you're under the age of 10. Yeah, this joke is getting old. You know what? I think we should use play sound, not start sound. You know, yeah, I think I should, cause yeah, let's check it out. Alright. And yeah, it's the new game button. Alright, so next we're going to be working on the newspaper, so we'll make the costume for it. So we'll do this, this basic gray. We'll do that. Then we'll take Peyton. So we'll drag him in here, convert him to vector, because for some reason oh my god, I put in the wrong one. My bad. Alright, so we take Peyton to the newspaper sprite. We copy him, then we paste him. Here's the finished product. For the other sides, like, you don't really have to add anything. I mean, I just put blah 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 blah, and maybe you can add like something like this to give off the lore. But anyways, what you want to do is make sure that it's censored, and then you want to convert to bitmap, which would delete all the other stuff, and then it'll leave you with this. Now what you want to do is to export, and then you're gonna go to a website called Pixlr. I'll leave that in the description. And you want to click on the E, not the other ones, just the E. Called this because it's the easiest, because this will help you. And what you want to do is you open the thing. There you go. And then you unlock, and then the adjustment is to auto black and white. Yeah. And then you make a file, save, make sure it's like 100%. You don't have to do that. I just like to do it. And then save. Do you want to place a file in newspaper? Yes. And there you go. You got 1 daily free save. You have three daily free saves, but just don't use them too much. Okay, so now we got the newspaper. You don't have to do a black and white filter. I just did that just that way it'll give it a style. Okay, so and I like this one so much. I'm gonna put it in my backpack as a decoration, as like to save it. Okay, so we'll delete that. Alright, so now we have our black and white newspaper. So you want to convert that to vector. Then what you want to do is you go to the square tool, and then you click this circle gradient. Then you change one side to black black. You don't have to, and then another side into a transparent, and then you make, and then you do this, and then you drag and you get this square or rectangle. And you could do multiple layouts. I usually do 2. Or 2 is too much. Yeah, 1 is fine. Yeah, 1 is fine. You can do more. I prefer 1, because so that way you can read all the text in here. It's easy to read the text. And then okay, now we're going to okay, so then we're going to add some music to our game. So you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this just for the fun of it. We'll add end 1. Yeah, I'm not gonna play it. It's probably copyrighted. I don't know if it is copyrighted. Is it? Yeah, probably. So I'm not gonna play it. So when I receive main menu, oh god, you forever play sound. Yeah.
Go somewhere, sit on the ground.
And then we'll play the game. See? Oh, forgot to delete. We forgot to hide it. And also put that 00. Warning. Yo, this game is kind of scary, so I recommend for you to play Roblox if you're under the age of 10. And then we upgrade the title. Okay, we got this. And yeah, this is the thing. Okay, now we're going to work on the code for this. So when this sprite is clicked, we broadcast. Okay, we stop other scripts and we stop all the other scripts in Sprite, and then we broadcast, the newspaper like that. And then we're gonna add newspaper. We're gonna do this for the same stuff. We'll see if this is Yeah, it is. Thank God. Okay, newspaper, hide, and then other description sprite, and then here, make sure this is centered. And then we're gonna do and then we're just gonna remove this one just so that the music can play. The newspaper. Control work on the newspaper. So when this green flag is clicked, 0, and then hide. Go to front layer, and then when I receive main menu. When I receive newspaper, show, then set the ghost effect to 100%, and then change ghost effect by -1, and repeat that 100 times. So let's see. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna wait, like 7 seconds before we repeat 100 times. Change ghost effect by 1 second, by 1, and then we hide and stop this script. Before we hide, broadcast, then we broadcast the night title. Yeah, and then we hide. Okay, now when I receive and we will do here, we're gonna do when I receive night title, we stop other scripts and spread. So we're gonna do night 1, and then we're going to make a black background. We're gonna make a black background. Sorry for the background noise. It's just that my family is a bit loud. So. Alright, this will be our first variable, so make a variable called night, and then set, when this sprite is clicked, we should set, okay, so when this sprite is clicked, set the night to 1, okay. And when green flag is clicked, and then we'll hide and go front layer, and then we'll do 0, and then we'll add a night title broadcast, and then we'll say switch costume to night 2, not to night 4, to night, which is right now 0, but right now it's gonna be 1, but when we click new game it's gonna be 1. So, and then we'll add a sound effect. So when I receive night title, switch costume to night, Switch costume to night. So what we want to do, you know what? Okay, so what we want to do is when I receive night, set ghost effect to 100 to 100, and then what you want to do is you show set ghost effect to switch costume today. Then you want to repeat 10 times change ghost effect by -10, so that way it'll. Now let's check it out. Yo, this game is kind of scary, so I recommend for you to play Roblox age of 10. Alright, well, you don't have to add a sound effect. I just do that just for fun. Just for the funsies. Wait. We'll wait like 2 seconds. Then we'll repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect by 10. Hide. Wait 2 seconds. Broadcast. The office. So, alright, again, you don't have to add your sound effects. I'm just doing this for the funsies. Because I like sound effects, and sound effects make me go yes. Now let's see our finished product, and let's see our baby. Yo, this game is kind of scary. Okay, I'm stopping it. I'm stopping. For real this time, for real. 3 minutes at Click new game. Piggy's Party Palace. Taco joint looking for security guards and connection. Water, make sure to save your link for the electronics. Blah 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 blah. And yeah. Alright, there's like one thing you want to do. If you want to, you don't have. One thing you should do for your warning screen. You might want to add a skip button. Want to add a skip graphic or something like that. No buttons. So we're gonna call this delete the pop, of course. Name this skip, and then we'll take the red, then we'll change the font to whatever font you want. I just put markers just to be consistent. I'll put press enter to skip. Then we put that anywhere you want. I'll just put this at the bottom. Here we go. When green flag is clicked, put whatever position you put your skip button or graphic, if you will, and then show. So we could wait. That might take like 2 seconds, so 1.5 seconds. So gotta add a show block. Wait, no, not the show block. My bad. We add the hide block, and then we set the front. We go to front layer. Let's see our baby boy. Heck. Alright. Oh. Gotta remove this front layer. That's why. so sorry if I accidentally broke. You know, you can do this. You can just make it show up, or what I like to do is I put it at the bottom, the very bottom. 179. That's all it can go. Huh. Alright, so we go there, then we do 130, negative 165. Glide 1 seconds to 1 we go show. Go 1 6 and then oh god. Actually, yeah. So let's see this. There you go. Although we can make it faster. We'll do 0.3. Yeah, that's fine. There. Okay, once the when I receive main menu, night title, we guide 0.3 seconds to negative 179, or whatever position your thing is, and then we hide, stop other scripts, and we stop the other scripts in this sprite. And now we're going to the fun part where we just skip, or when we press enter we just skip. Alright, so when green flag is clicked, if join enter and then leave blank, leave this part blank, leave the second part blank. If key, this will make key enter pressed. I really need a new computer. Broadcast night title. What the heck? Night title. Right. Stop other scripts in sprite and hide. Let's see if that works. Gotta add a forever. You see, we always gotta test if we need a forever loop. Right now we do. So now let's check. Oh, wrong one. My bad. So let's check again. And before you and also we should add like when I receive title menu, stop other scripts in sprite and then hide. So that way whenever you click enter it would hide. And also I want to change some things. Like, for example, like, I want to like, you don't have to copy me, you can keep this code, but, like, yeah, I want to do this one looks way better, so clean that up, because I want to be clean. Yo, that looks way better. And there we have it. This is our game. If this video reaches 5 billion likes, I will make a part 3. Let me know if you want to. And subscribe. Yeah, I want to get to 5 trillion likes by the 5 trillion subscribers by the end of this year. Okay? So subscribe and let me know if this tutorial helped, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.